water with a grin. Crocodile goes snap, 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 closing jaws with a gentle clap. But he's friendly, don't you fear, just a jungle buddy here. Slowly floating in the stream, like a log or like a dream. Eyes above the water bright, watching everything in sight. Crocodile walks on land so slow, heavy steps go to and fro. Back to water, splash again, cooling off in river rain. Little fish swim all around, bubbles making funny sound. Crocodile just smiles a face, happy in his watery ways.